Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm gonna show you how I clean my engine bay. I do upkeep it so it doesn't look too bad. So the first thing I do is remove this. Just pops right off, put it aside. Next, I want to cover this intake here to make sure water does not go in. You can put plastic, or I shove rags in the hole just to make sure I don't put water inside. You want to make sure your engine is cooled down. You don't want to do this while it's hot. I use Simple Green, just all-purpose cleaner. It's a great choice just because it's non-toxic and biodegradable. All right. Now all you do is just spray it all around. All right, I let that sit for a few minutes, maybe about 5 minutes. Now what you can do is take a brush. In my case, I'm using a toothbrush and just agitate the dirty hard spots. So I keep mine well maintained. That's why there's not that much to get cleaned out. What you also can do is actually remove this air box here so I can get it cleaned underneath. I'm gonna go ahead and take my pry tool, go ahead and pry these two tabs out. Oops. Make sure that doesn't fall in. Okay, once you got those two tabs out, you can go ahead and take out this air box. Just pulls right out. Now you want to cover this and make sure no water gets into here. So in order to cover it, you want to get a plastic bag. Just go ahead and go over the top of the hole. There you go. Keep that nice and secure. Get your Simple Green and start spraying your nails. Now next, you want to get your pressure washer and just go ahead and rinse away. After rinsing, if you have a leaf blower or a shop vac, you want to go ahead and blow out all the excess water. All right, now you want to go ahead and clean this. Go ahead and just spray some Simple Green. This is the cover for your engine. Alright, just let it sit for a minute or two. Let it do its thing. Alright, now engine's all good and dry. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this plastic piece. Get a rag and then just clean this up a little bit. Alright, now you're ready to put this back in. Go ahead and put these plastic tabs back on. Go ahead and put this back on. We're gonna get your rag and just go ahead and wipe it dry. And that's how I clean my engine bay. You want to make sure the engine is cooled down, cover up any components you want to cover up. For mine, I just want to cover up the intake. Then you want to spray some Simple Green. Then you want to rinse it off with a garden hose or a pressure washer if you have one. Then you want to dry it off with a leaf blower or a shop vac. Then you put it back together and you're good to go. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll bring you more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.